Good morning. I hope you are all fine. Here is Ma'am Kulsum from American Lifestyle and I am the teacher of Playgroup. So today I am giving the maths lecture. Before starting the lecture, first of all we recall the numbers. These are the numbers and now we recall the number. Which number is this number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. So these are the numbers 0 till 20. So today we learn two concepts. The one concept is circle the bigger animal in each box. First of all, we look which animal is the bigger. We have animal. This animal is bigger or this animal are bigger? I think this one. Oh no, this is the small. So this is the bigger animal. We circle the bigger animal because our concept is circle the bigger animal. So look here and tell me which animal is the bigger. I think this one is the bigger animal. So we circle the bigger animal. So this is the concept of circle the bigger animals. So over the second concept is what's come between. We have two number. This number is number 4 and here is number 6. So tell me what's come between. Let's think what's come after number 4. Number 5. So the number is number 5. We write here number 5. So here are two dots, one dot is here and one dot is here and we write the number 5. Match this dot, go down, make it round, touch the line, come up. Again put the pencil here and go there straight. Which number is this? Number 5. Which number is this? Number 5. Okay, look here. Which number is this? Number 8 and which number is this? Number 1, 0, 10. So what's come between? Number 9. So we write here the number 9. We have one dot. Put the pencil here and trace a dot. Now put the pencil on this dot. Go up, make it round, round, round. Touch this dot and come down straight. So we write here number 9. What's come between? Number 9. The second concept here, what's come after? Which number is this? Number 2, number 3. What's come after? Number 4. So we write here the number 4. How to write the number 4? Here are two dots. First of all, match this dot, draw the straight line, go there straight, again put the pencil here and come down straight, touch the line and leave the pencil. Which number is this? Number 4. So today these are the topics, what's come between and what's come after and circle the bigger animals. I hope you are all understand. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.